which is how to enter my signals. This is one of the many things that you'll be learning, but this is one of the most essential parts. This is how this signal looks like. Anytime I give signal, it comes in this form, maybe either to buy or to sell. One of them will come, but this case we have sell, and then what are we selling? This coin over. The next thing is the coin, that is NMR, that is the numeral coin, and it's slashed with USDT. It means we are trading against the US dollar, so it is the USDT is always going to be there. What to change is either from the sell that we have there, so from sell to buy or from buy to sell. You find one of them there, and you need to pay attention every single time. And then the next thing is the coin that we are trading. You can see it over here. So we have sell numeral NMR coin, or the emerald slash USDT. What that means is, you see, whenever you see that thing like that or something like that, just head over to your futures wallet. See, we have the futures wallet right here. Once you get into this place, let me just go back again and click on this trade. Once I am here, you see this place where we have the top left, we have BTC USDT. Just click on that, and then you need to search for the coin that I am asking you to trade. So click on the search button, and then you click on NMR. It's just like this one. This is the coin right here, so click on it. Once you click on that, it opens the trade for you. So this is what I am asking to do. We have the buy, and then we have the sell. You see, just keep all of these. I've already told you that we need to have it on this cross margin. I've already said that. Let me just go back. This cross margin should always be here. Now there is buy, and then there is sell. The buy, we also call it the long, so it goes long. If you want it to go long, it means you are predicting that the market should go up. And then when you say sell or short, it means the market should go down. So if it goes in your favor, if it goes down, if you are selling and then it goes down, it means you have made profits. I hope you understand. And then if you are buying and then it goes up, it means you are making profit. But if it's going against you, or it goes contrary to what you have said to do, it means you are going to lose money. But you are not going to lose all the money. That is why it's important for us to have what we call stop loss. Stop loss will regulate how much you lose, even if the trade goes against you. But I'll be explaining that too. So the next thing is your leverage. So we have 20x leverage. 20x leverage, just I've already explained what leverage is. It's just multiplying how much you'll be losing or making if the trade goes either against you or in your favor. So that's the leverage. The leverage is right here, this place where we have the 3s. Click on that. That is the leverage. You say adjust leverage, and then they said 20s leverage, so you just click on 20s, and then you click on confirm. They said your current leverage is 20s. The higher your leverage, the higher the chance of liquidation. So what is liquidation? Liquidation just means the market taking away all your money inside your account. It means you have hit the bottom, and then the money will be taken away. All the money inside your account will be taken away. In the actual sense, or in a deeper explanation, you see, I've already explained to you that whenever you are about to trade, you are borrowing money from the market. So whenever the trade is going against you, these OKX, they are the ones borrowing you the money multiplied by your invested money or your deposited money. So they wouldn't want their money to go away, so they will remove their money, or they will close the account for you, remove their money, and allow you to only lose your money. So you are the one going to lose your money. That means you are liquidated, and they have taken away the money they have borrowed to you. That is the other part that most people don't understand. So click on continue anyways, because maybe you understand. But you see, there are some of the things, most times it's good to research on your own and try to get meaning to all of these things on a deeper level. That will help you a lot. Now we have set the leverage, and then let me just head over back to this place where we have the cross margin. I've already explained cross margin, it should be there, and then the market order should also be there. Now take profit. Take profit is telling me that maybe the market goes, maybe I want it to sell. You see, we are selling, so it means it should drop to a certain level. When it is dropping, I want to set it to a certain level that when it touches there, then the trade will automatically close for me, and that is enough of the profit. So the profit I am making, I am okay with it. If it touches down or it drops to a certain level, then I am okay. The market will automatically close it for me, whether I am available or I am not. Do you understand? So if we are available and you are watching the market, that is after you have understood everything. That is for later. You can be watching it without setting your take profit, and whenever you are satisfied with the results, then you go ahead and close it by yourself manually. But since you are just starting, I will entreat you and advise you to be using the take profit and your stop loss very serious. So the take profit, we have the first one to be 14.647, then we have the 15.789. They are on different levels. So if it drops to a certain level, just like we have 10, you are selling an asset at the price of 10. Let's use normal 10 as an example. So you are predicting that it will drop since the price of what you are buying. Maybe you are buying sachet water, and then they are selling it, the pack, they are selling it for 10 Ghana cedis, which is the whole thing. But you are predicting that the market will be dropping. So I want it to drop. The price of that pure water sachet or the whole pack will be dropping, but it is already at 10 Ghana cedis when you knew. So you are going to sell. When you sell, you are predicting that it will drop to 7 Ghana cedis. So once it drops to 7 Ghana cedis, you go out of the market. That means you have made profit. But this is future. So when you are selling to, you can make profit. When you are buying to, you can make profit. So once you are predicting that the market should go down, or the price of that pure water to go down to 7 Ghana cedis, once it goes down, the difference between the 7 Ghana cedis and the 10 Ghana cedis is your profit. Yes, it's your profit multiplied by your leverage and then your capital. That's how it works, and you need to learn other things to be able to understand that very easily. Now you see, you can set two prices. You can either go for, you can predict that when it drops to 8 Ghana cedis, then you take out the money, or 2 Ghana cedis, or 5 Ghana cedis, or 10, I mean, or 9, anyways, anyone you like, because it's all based on your prediction. So you can set any price that is coming down. So that is why we have different take profits. You should just select one of them and you are good to go. And if you are just starting out, I would advise you to pick the first one, because the first one is almost closer to your take profit, and you can go out of the market anytime. It will close and give you your profit to go away. You don't have to stress yourself at all, because you are just starting out and you need to be learning the thing. So little profits should appear as bigger profit for you, so that you don't get too greedy and try to do things that you are not supposed to do. So little by little, you'll be able to understand and succeed in trading, rather than gambling and using huge amounts, or looking out to make huge amounts within a single trade. It does not work like that. I hope you understand. So take profit, just take one of them. Now we have the stop loss. Stop loss tells you the amount that I want to lose. Maybe the trade is going against me. With that same example, that 10 Ghana cedis pure water, I am predicting that the price will be dropping down to 8 Ghana cedis. So when it comes to 8 Ghana cedis, let's assume your profit is 2 Ghana cedis when it drops to 8 Ghana cedis. But what if it does not drop to the 8 Ghana cedis, but instead it is still going up like 11 Ghana cedis, 12 Ghana cedis, 14, 13, but your only money, the only money you have inside your account is 20 Ghana cedis, but you have used 10 Ghana cedis to purchase that pure water, but it is going up. Remember, the more it is going up, the more you are close to losing all the money inside your account. That is why the stop loss comes in. So you can set your stop loss to 15 Ghana cedis. That if the pure water, the price of pure water is going against me, it is rising every day, even though I am predicting it for it to go down, then if it is going up and then I don't want to lose all the 20 Ghana cedis, then the market should close for me once it touches down to 15 Ghana cedis. So the coin, the pure water will be going up 12, 13, 14, 14.5, 14.6, 14.7. Be going now. Once it reaches 15 Ghana cedis, then boom, the market will close it for you and leave the rest of, or the rest 5 Ghana cedis inside your account for you. So that money is there so that you can trade again. But if you don't put it there, you don't put your stop loss, it means it will pass the 15 Ghana cedis, it will pass 16 and go and take everything inside your account, and that is what we call liquidation or close call. Yes, so that's it. You lose all the money inside your account. People call it you blow your account in the rest. It's still the same thing. That's how it works. The same thing with this market over here. So you need to set your stop loss, telling the market that when the price reaches to this level, then I need to close, and you need to see it and know how much you are losing if the trade should go against you. So just that little understanding, let's get to business and see how we can control or even enter this trade. Now whenever I go to this place, let me just go into my OKX, and we have already set for the coin. You have set your stop loss. Our stop loss is right here, and I am predicting for this market to go down in a moment. So let me just head over to this place where we have the buy or sell. So I am going for sell. Now the next thing is for me to set how much I want to put on this particular trade. So I would like to put at least, let me just say, at least 10 US dollars. So you see this place that I'm scrolling this thing, this is what you'll be using to set your price. And once you are scrolling this from the left to the right, make sure to be checking this place where we have the cost. So we have the maximum buy, we have the cost, and the same thing with the buy and sell, they are working this together. So once you are scrolling this from the left to the right, make sure to be looking at it until it goes down to the level that you want to see it. I hope you understand. So I want to get to, let me just scroll that again. I want to get it to at least 10 Ghana, I mean 10 US dollars. 10 US dollars. So let me set my percentage to at least 5%. All right. All right. So let me just enter its amount. The amount is in, just do that, but you need to be sure that it is showing right here. So it's now 10.36. Sometimes it will be written in percentages, or sometimes they will allow you to enter the amount that you need to purchase. So you need to be very cautious with what you are doing over here. So now we have 10.36. The next thing for me to do is just click on sell or short, because I've already selected my leverage. So I'll click on sell or short. So click on that, and then I'll confirm, and boom, order placed. Yes, so once the order is placed, it will be showing at this place where we have the position. You see, we have the position right here, and then the coin is already giving me profit. You can see I'm already in profit of $5. Wow, that's very marvelous. So yes, so the percentage is right here. Now I'll show you how to enter your take profit and your stop loss. But before I do that, anytime I'm giving signals and then I'm showing you how you'll be able to, and I tell you to send result, whenever I tell you to send result, just click on this place, and then you click on save, and the whole of this will download. You can see it here. So the whole of this will download and be inside your image, your photo gallery. You just send it to our group, and I will know that you guys are active and trading. Yes. Now the next thing, let me show you how you'll be able to use your take profit and your stop loss. Now you see this place where we have the TP or SL. Click on that. Once it opens, let's just go back to this place. Once it opens, just head over back to this place where we have the you see entire position. So we have partial position, and then we have the entire position, and then we have the trailing stop loss. Now the partial take profits, this is it, we call it partial take profit. So what that does is, maybe you want to set a price that when it reaches a certain level, part of the trade will close and give you some profit, and then the rest of it will continue to grow. But we will explain that in another video, but not now. Right now, let's do what is important, and then you get the basics before you move to the medium or the intermediate level. So now we have the entire position. This entire position covers everything that you are using or you are doing on this platform, not the part one or not half. This is for the entire position. Now you see this place where we have the take profit. With the take profit, I need to go back to this place, and then I select the first one. So the first one is 14.647. So I'll go back to this place, and then I'll enter it just like the way I see it. So 14.47, or is that it? I think it's correct, right? So yes. So once that is done, I'll go to this place where we have the stop loss. Now when I did this, oh sorry, let me just go back and enter that again, 14.647. Once I do that, they will be telling me how much I'll make if the trade should go in my favor. So if it drops as I predicted, I'll be making a total of 41 US dollars. So I'm using $10 to make 41.23. That's not so bad. It's not bad at all. And now we have the stop loss. Stop loss, I already said, is the calculation of how much you'll be losing if the trade goes against you. And then the stop loss is 20.11. So 20.11, 20.11. And once I do that, they'll be telling me, let me just go back here, 20.11. Once I do that, they'll be telling me how much I will lose if the trade should go against me. That is 18 points. You see this place in the red is 18.85 USDT. So all I need to do is just click on confirm, and boom, it is done. Now how will you be able to know if it has really worked or you have set your take profit or stop loss? You see this place where we have the estimated P and L USDT. Yes, this my take profit to be 41.23, and then my stop loss is 18.85. If it is not here, it means you have not set it well, and you need to click on modify to set it one more time again. Okay, I hope you understand. That is how you enter the trade. So anytime you come to this place, you'll be seeing it here. It will be available here. You can see. So we have the entire position. We have it where the take profit and the stop loss, just like we set the way we set it. It will be available over here, and you are